I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install and sign into OneDrive, ensure Gallery and OneDrive are updated, and use a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid data charges. Once done, open Samsung Gallery and go straight to Settings, then choose Sync with OneDrive. You're doing this now because linking the apps first creates the secure connection that lets photos transfer automatically. Make sure your Microsoft account is selected, otherwise you'll sync to the wrong account and waste time reconfiguring. Next, you configure what and how the gallery uploads. Grant the app permissions for storage and background activity so sync can run reliably, without them uploads stall. Then pick which albums to sync and set upload quality. Original preserves full resolution, high saves space and uploads faster. Make sure you toggle mobile data uploads on only if you want them, otherwise limit syncing to Wi-Fi. Once configured, Gallery will queue items and begin transferring in the background. To finish, verify that photos appear in OneDrive by opening the OneDrive app or web interface and checking the folder Gallery writes to. If everything is present, you're done. If it fails, first check account linking and storage quota, then clear Gallery cache, force stop both apps, and sign out and back into OneDrive and Samsung account. Also make sure background data and battery optimizer exceptions allow uploads. Once fixed, the sync will resume automatically and complete the remaining files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.